Hey there, welcome to Dude's Tech, where today we're showcasing the top 3 best AI smart glasses that blend futuristic features with everyday style and comfort. From real-time translation to open-ear audio, these picks redefine wearable tech for 2025. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Giwbeiv AI smart glasses. The Giwbeiv AI smart glasses redefine what modern eyewear can be, offering a powerful blend of technology, comfort, and style. Designed for users who want smart functionality without sacrificing everyday usability, these glasses bring seamless digital assistance directly into your field of vision. One of their standout features is real-time translation for 164 languages, covering nearly every spoken language in the world. Whether traveling, collaborating internationally, or chatting face-to-face, you can communicate effortlessly through multiple modes, including video calls and photo translation. This makes the glasses a valuable tool for students, travelers, and professionals engaging in global communication. The lenses themselves elevate the experience with polarized photochromic technology. They automatically adjust color based on lighting, protecting your eyes from harsh brightness outdoors and ensuring a clear, comfortable view at all times. Worn as sunglasses or daily eyewear, they fit naturally into any setting. Audio capabilities are integrated directly into the frame, providing 3D surround sound without the need for earphones. You can switch music, activate voice assistants, answer calls, and perform daily tasks using intuitive touch controls, enabling a truly hands-free experience. Battery life is designed to last all day thanks to dual 85 mAh batteries. Magnetic charging in both temples provides a full charge in just 1 hour, keeping the glasses ready for work, travel, or entertainment without constant recharging concerns. With Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, the glasses maintain a stable wireless connection, even in crowded environments. Calls and audio streams remain smooth and uninterrupted, while the lightweight 33-gram design ensures they can be worn comfortably throughout the day. Their waterproof and sweat-proof build also makes them well-suited for workouts and outdoor activities. Giwbeiv AI smart glasses deliver an intelligent blend of communication, eye protection, audio convenience, and modern design, bringing the future of wearable smart technology into everyday life. Coming in at number 2, we have the Get GD13 AI smart glasses. The Get GD13 AI smart glasses offer a modern and multifunctional wearable experience by combining intelligent assistance, audio performance, and stylish eyewear in a single device. Designed as 3-in-1 smart glasses, they integrate an AI assistant, real-time language translation, and voice recording, while also functioning as high-quality open-ear Bluetooth earbuds and photochromic eyewear suitable for both men and women. With support through the Get D app, the AI system is powered by platforms like ChatGPT and DeepSeek, delivering fast, accurate, and natural conversations. The glasses support high-precision bidirectional translation in 147 languages across over 170 countries, making them a valuable tool for travel, business meetings, and global communication. The built-in voice recorder converts speech to text with high accuracy, ideal for capturing meeting notes, memos, and spontaneous ideas without needing a phone in hand. Sound performance is enhanced through a G-Direct directional open-ear audio design, offering clear stereo output without blocking environmental awareness. 2 noise-reducing microphones ensure stable and crisp hands-free calls, while Bluetooth 5.4 provides reliable connectivity on both Android and iOS devices. With comfort in mind, the glasses feature lightweight TR90 frames with a modern design and multiple color options. The lenses are polarized with 100% UV protection, anti-glare, oil resistance, and impact resistance, and users can even fit prescription lenses if needed. Battery life supports all-day use with dual 115 mAh batteries, offering up to 15 days of standby time, 11 hours of music playback, and 9 hours of calling. Magnetic charging, IP54 water resistance and built-in overload protection ensure reliability in daily use. Combining style, practicality, and advanced technology, the Get GD13 AI smart glasses serve as a thoughtful gift for professionals, travelers, or anyone seeking a hands-free smart lifestyle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mumucream G300L AI smart glasses. The Mumucream G300L AI smart glasses bring together intelligence, design, and practicality in a single wearable device that enhances the way users communicate and experience the world. Built with a discreet hands-free camera, these glasses make it easy to record moments directly from your point of view. Whether documenting a travel experience, filming a tutorial, or simply capturing family memories, they allow creators to record authentic footage without the need to hold a camera, making content more natural and immersive. With voice-activated AI, users can simply say, "Hey, Cyan," to access a powerful virtual assistant. This feature provides real-time translations, product identification while shopping, insight about landmarks, and useful information without ever needing to reach for a phone. These glasses not only record life, but help users interpret and interact with it in a smarter way. Audio performance is another highlight. The Mumucream G300L offers up to 12 hours of continuous playback, keeping music, podcasts, and calls going through an entire day of activity. The open-ear hi-fi sound system ensures that audio is rich and clear while still allowing awareness of the surrounding environment, an ideal combination for commuting, outdoor exercise, or multitasking. Advanced dual-mic ENC technology reduces ambient noise and wind, delivering better voice clarity during calls and voice recordings. Designed for flexibility, the glasses feature detachable and interchangeable lenses, including clear daily use lenses and a tinted lens for sun protection. Users can also easily fit prescription lenses, making the device adaptable to a wide range of lifestyles and visual needs. The Mumucream G300L AI smart glasses offer a balanced blend of technology and comfort, providing a seamless connection between digital functionality and everyday life. Smart wearables are changing the way we see and interact with the world. If any of these caught your eye, check the price link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more futuristic gadgets and honest tech reviews.